We're here at the OPTIMA Oasis today, powered by Clarios, and we're putting on an awesome event featuring Broncos and Raptors, the Sparky's Off-Road Rally.
Who doesn't know who Sparky is?
Sparky is like the epitome of Optima.
It looks like a mouse.
You know, he's aggressive, he's cute, he's kind of a fun little guy.
He seems to pop up wherever anybody's having fun.
I love Sparky.
And the reason we're doing this is to follow our new trophy truck, which is a Raptor, driven by Chris Pavordi, number 94.
It's my race day. I'm pretty excited to see these guys out on course. You know, give these people an opportunity to go out and chase. Normally it's only the race teams getting to do that, so I'm excited to see a bunch of Ford Broncos and Ford Raptors, and then as I pass in my Ford Raptor.
So the Sparky's Rally is going to start here at the OPTIMA Oasis, and we're going to go about 17 miles to our first viewpoint, and we're going to see the race trucks come through, and then we're going to hit another viewpoint, and then we're going to end here at the OPTIMA Oasis. Within that, we're going to hit multiple types of terrain, from rocks to whoops to sand washes to sand hills. And within the Sparky's Rally, we have over 40 entries, from old school Broncos to the new Gen 6 Broncos, F-150 Raptors.
Along the way, we're going to have a poker run. So at every stop, everybody gets a card. When they come back in, they win a few cool prizes. One of the cool things that we're doing, we're all going to do a battery install, swap out their original battery, and put an Optima battery in it, so that the whole rally is powered by Optima batteries.
That was a great ride. Really got to put the shocks to work. Great time. Long caravan of folks out here in Broncos and Raptors, so awesome.
This was the most perfect event to come and be a part of, so that I could still be watching the race, be a part of it, but also get my dirt fix at the same time.
It's a unique thing for a battery company like Optima Batteries and Clarios to showcase in one of the roughest environments in the world how capable and reliable their products are dealing with this. Makes you realize how stable and capable their products are in the real world, just driving through city streets.
Came here to win, they did it.